Hello students, good morning to all. Welcome to the maths class. Hope you all are safe and fine. Children, today we will discuss about timeline. So what is timeline? A timeline is a list of important events arranged in the order in which they happen. A timeline helps you place event in the order that it happens. Let's see example. Here is the timeline of Rohan. So some events written here. So we read, Rohan is studying in class 3 in 2020. Then second, Rohan was born in 2012. He got admission in school in 2016. So children, this incident we have to show on timeline in order. So first which events will come? Rohan was born in 2012. So here we will I will show you born 2012. He got admission in a school in 2016. So here I have written got admission in 2016, and last Rohan is studying in class 3 in 2020, right? To clear the concept, we see one more example. Here is the timeline of Rohan's father. Okay. Look at here children, here is the timelines and I have shown here age in year like 5 years, 10 years, 15 years this way. Okay. So first we will see Rohan's father went to school at the age of 5 years. He passed class 10 at the age of 15 years. He passed college at the age of 23 years. Okay. And last, he got first job at the age of 30 years. So children, this way we can show the events on timeline in order. Okay. Children, come to the page number 108 in textbook. The true story of Pedki Devi. Clearly you can see here the picture of Pedki Devi. So she has written here her story. So we will read. My name is Pedki Devi. I live in a village in Dhanbad district, Jharkhand. Means she belongs to Jharkhand. I never got a chance to go to school. Children, she never went to school. Okay. I remember that when I was 5 years old, I broke my foot. I had climbed a tree to eat the jamun fruit, but the branch broke and I fell down. My foot still hurt in winter. Children, जब वो 5 years की थी तब उनका पैर टूट गया था. वो जामुन के ट्री पर वो चढ़ी और जामुन का ट्री का ब्रांच टूट गया और वो नीचे गिर गई जिस कारण उनका पैर टूट गया. ओके. While grazing our gods, we often got busy in playing. Once at the age of 10 years, I got a big scolding. I had lost one god. Children, she had lost one god at the age of 10 years. Okay. At the age of 15 years, I was married. My husband was much older than me. जब वो 15 years की थी तब उनकी शादी हो गई और उनके हस्बैंड उनसे काफ़ी बड़े थे. My first daughter was born 3 years after my marriage. Means when she got first daughter at the age of 18 years. Means after marriage 3 years, so 15 plus 3 is 18. So we can say she got first daughter at the age of 18 years. Okay. Later I had 3 more children when I was 20, 22 and 24 years old. Means she had her second child at the age of 20 years, third child at the age of 22 years, and she had her fourth child at the age of 24 years. Okay. Time passed very fast. Then I was busy with my farm, housework, and looking after my animal. Okay, so after some years, she was busy with her farm, housework, as well as looking after her animals. Okay, but at the age of 35 years, my world came to a stop. My husband fell ill and died. जब वो 35 ईयर्स की थी तब उनके हस्बैंड का देहांत हो गया था. His brothers tried to take away our farm. तब उनके भाई जो थे उनका फार्म लेना चाहते थे. They beat me badly and said I was a witch. Means children, they abused her. Okay. Some good people saved me. लेकिन कुछ अच्छे लोग जो थे उनको सेव किए. So we fought a case against those who beat me up. At the age of 40 years, I saw a police station for the first time. So children, she saw first time police station at the age of 40 years. Okay. When I was 45, I learned to read and write. Children, as we know, she never went to school. So first time she learned to read and write at the age of 45 years. Okay. 2 years later, I got my eldest daughter married. So which age? At the age of 47 years. Okay, after 2 years means 47 years. Now I am 50 years old. I enjoy playing with my grandchild. 2 of my children are studying in school. Okay children, so this is the story of Pedki Devi, and we see here some thing that happened in her life are given here. So we see first. Children, come to the page number 109. Some things that happened in her life are given below. Are you seeing it, children? Like broke her foot, lost one got. So now let's mark these incident in timeline. So are you ready, children? Okay, let's see. What is the first incident? Broke her foot. Children, when Pedki Devi was 5 years old, she broke her foot. So that's why I have written here 5 years. Okay, and this we have to show in timeline. So here already drawn, and here also written age in year, like 5 years, 10 years, 20 years. So where we will mark, we mark A, we represent A at the age of 5 years. Okay. B, lost one got. She lost her got at the age of 10 years. Okay, so the number 10 is here. We represent B at 10. So we will write here B. C, got married. She got married at the age of 15 years. Children, we don't have 15. So where 15 will come? Can you tell me where 15 will come? 15 will come between 10 and 20. So let's mark 15 here. So we represent C here. Okay. So here we will write C. D had her fourth child. Children, she had her fourth child at the age of 24 years. So where is 24? We don't have 24. So can you guess, children, where 24 come? 24 come between 20 to 30. So here we will mark 24. So here we mark D that had her fourth child. Okay. Now E first saw a police station. So children, she saw a first time police station at the age of 40 years. So where we will represent? Here is 30, here is 40. Yes, so E we will represent here. So I have written E here. Learn to read and write. So first time she learned to read and write at the age of 45 years. So children, 45 is not here, but 45 will come between 40 and 50. So I mark here. Then eldest daughter got married at the age of 47 years. So again 47 we will mark here, and we represent G above 47. So children, this way we can show any event on timeline in order. Okay.